What's up guys, this is Massey, welcome to my channel. This video I want to show you some examples and I'm gonna show you how to use the laws, the exponent, to simplify rational exponents. The first example I have here is simplifying 2 to the power of half times 2 to the power of 5 over 2. So the answer will be 2 to the power of 1 over 2 plus 5 over 2. Let's make it 6 over 2, which is going to be 2 to the power of 3, and 2 to the power of 3 is 8. Next example, simplify 3 to the power of 2 over 3 times 3 to the power of 4 over 3. Answer is gonna be 3 to the power of product rule. We add the exponents because the bases are the same. So it's gonna be 6 over 3. So that makes it 3 to the power of 2. 3 to the power of 2 is gonna be 9. Next example, simplify x to the power of 3 over 4 times x to the power of 5 over 4. Answer will be x to the power of 3 over 4 plus 5 over 4. That makes it x to the power of 5 plus 8. 5 plus 3 is 8. Divided by 4 is going to be x squared. Next example, three to the power of 1/3 times 3 to the power of 8 over 3. Answer is 3 to the power of 1 over 3 plus 8 over 3. That makes it 3 to the power of 8 plus 1 is 9. 9 over 3. That makes it 3 to the power of 3. So 3 to the power of 3 is going to be 27. Next example, you have m to the power of 1/4 plus times to the power of 3 over 4. Answer will be m to the power of 1 over 4 plus 3 over 4. It's going to be m to the power of 1, which is going to be just m. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave me a comment if you have any question and I get back to you as soon as possible. And please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. You can find out lots of videos regarding exponents, radicals, and other topics in math and science. Thank you and have a great day.